Hello, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Guys, last class में कहाँ तक किया था हमने?
We did an 8th question. Now we have to discuss 9.
Oh, discussion. Okay, you're talking about it. And theory, guys, theory में where are we?
Sir,
Then you
subtraction of vectors खत्म हो गया था.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to move ahead. So आज थोड़ा let us do some theory, guys. Huh? Discussion we can do later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, when will be the discussion, sir? Next class, sir.
Yes, let us have it in next class. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ. Like how a lot of discussion is left.
So the homework
So
images
only
which you
2
gave
questions are left. 9th and 10th of HC Verma.
Okay. ठीक है.
and the homework which you gave.
And the homework images वाला, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Of module.
Got it. ठीक है. We'll do that. तो आगे theory का let us do, huh? So subtraction का we have done. Now let us go for multiplication. Okay. ठीक है, multiplication. So guys, multiplication में we'll be studying जो है first will be multiplication of a vector by a scalar. Okay, this is easy one, but more time we'll be spending on this part. Multiplication of a vector by a vector.
Sir, after this, the chapter is completed, sir.
Yes, but here we have to deal multiplications. So we have to deal,
Cross and dot product.
yes, dot product. So this will take time. Dot product, cross product. Division of vectors is not defined. Okay. Division of vectors is not defined. So as this we have to study. The first one is multiplication of a vector by a scalar.
Sir, first one is multiplication of a vector by a scalar, sir.
Scalar, yes. Multiplication of a vector by a scalar number.
Sir, scalar means that magnitude, sir.
Only, yes, the quantities which have magnitude only, no direction. Huh?
Okay, sir. Sir, then how can it be called a vector, sir?
How can it be called? No, here the multiplication, first multiplication is multiplication of a vector by a scalar here.
Or like a scalar product in scalar into a vector.
Scalar into vector, yes.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Done.
1 minute, please.
So please wait.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, huh?
sir, but the division of vectors is not allowed when we divide a vector by a vector itself. But what if we divide a vector by a scalar?
Yes, we'll discuss that one.
It will be multiplication only, na? Like if it is divided by 3, then it will be multiplied by 1 by 3.
Yes, huh? We'll discuss that. We'll discuss.
Okay, sir.
So, for like in the unit vector part, we divided a vector by its magnitude to find its unit vector. So, can the magnitude of a vector be treated as a scalar?
Magnitude of a vector. Yes, magnitude of a vector is a number. Yes. Magnitude you have said it's a number. So vector must have both magnitude and direction.
So we can treat it as a scalar, right?
Yes, magnitude is a scalar quantity. Guys, here are copy.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So multiplication of a vector by a scalar. So let's say we have, suppose we have one vector, huh? Say we are taking positive scalar. Suppose we write b is equal to 2 times vector a. So that means what? See, we have a. This is your vector a, and b. See, b will be 2 times. So that means magnitude is double. Direction is same. Magnitude is double. This is your b. So this means positive scalar means direction of the new vector form, the b, is same. Huh? Direction is same. And magnitudes we have to see. See, this is 2 times. So this length of b will be double. Huh? Say if b vector is equal to 0.5 times a. So 0.5 के लिए what will be take? Suppose a is there. This is a. So you have a and b you have to take. 0.5
But sir,
So this will be b. इसका half. This is same as 1 by 2 times a. Correct, guys? You understood?
sir, what there is, both are vector quantity only, you know, because there is direction.
Danish, what are you saying?
Sir, both are vector quantity only, you know, because there is direction.
Yes, both are vector quantities.
But sir, here we are doing multiplication of the vector by scalar, no?
Yes, this we are doing is multiplication of vector by scalar. Huh?
But sir, here so there are both scale vector quantity.
अरे नहीं, 2 is a number, a is
No,
a vector.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 2 को multiply कर रहे हैं a से. So 2 is a number, scalar. A is a vector there.
Okay, sir.
है ना?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes. हाँ.
so 2 is a scalar here.
2 is a number, yes, scalar.
Sir, but 2 should come in the bigger line, not 2a vector.
No, 2 is a scalar. A is a vector. ठीक है? 2 is a number. multiplication of vector by a scalar. Scalar number, huh? 2 is a scalar here. Sean?
Yeah, sir, but the smaller line is represented by A and bigger line by B. So what you did for the B? Why is the B bigger?
Because B is double times A, right? So it is bigger than A.
Because B is 2 times A. Yes. Now I was saying double. So it is bigger than A.
Hmm.
2 times means double हो जाएगा. Sean?
Yes, sir.
So इसलिए उसको हमने bigger show किया.
Okay,
In the
sir.
second case, 0.5 means half. तो B को half show कर दिया.
Okay, sir.
Ankita understood?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अब जो है, let's say guys इसमें से B part negative scalar. सही guys, अगर B दिया है, B is equal to -3 into A. So if your A is like this, say A is like this.
Sir, how do we multiply, sir, actually?
Oh, where do we multiply? In real life situation, you're
It
asking.
will be in opposite direction.
No, like, sir, multiplication of a vector by a scalar, sir.
Yes, so like this, B vector, like where do,
Yes,
in
sir.
which situation you multiply, you're asking that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will tell you. One minute. First, do you agree that key this when you multiply by minus, the direction would be opposite now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Direction is opposite.
सर वो दो एरो क्यों दिए आपने पॉजिटिव स्केलर के बाद में?
पॉजिटिव स्केलर के बाद 2 एरो दिया. कहाँ पर? 2 एरो.
Yes, sir. First is scalar. You have put 2 arrows, right?
Oh. Is this okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ansh,
Yes, sir.
understood
So,
now?
sir, positive scalar is only for direction, not magnitude.
नहीं, पॉजिटिव स्केलर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो डायरेक्शन कैसा हो जाता है? सेम रहता है.
Okay, okay.
एंड नेगेटिव स्केलर से व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई, डायरेक्शन जो रिजल्ट नया वेक्टर बनता है B, उसका डायरेक्शन बिकम्स अपोजिट. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Once you had doubt, what was the doubt? Once has not doubt.
So please explain opposite direction again.
Which one, Danesh?
For the right hand side.
Okay, Sean, can you explain this one?
Yes, sir.
सर मेरे को वही डाउट था कि आपने पॉजिटिव स्केलर के बाद 2 एरोस दिए, वही पूछने के लिए मैं अनम्यूट किया था.
Okay.
So what I have to explain?
So second wala he was asking, Tanish is asking, explain that one.
Negative scalar.
Yes. Huh.
Negative scalar, if we multiply a negative scalar, it will give opposite direction. So if we first B vector is 3 times of A. So first you can draw A vector in one direction and B vector in opposite direction because it is in minus sign. So B vector will be in opposite direction of A. But 3 times the size.
So sir, your A vector is positive and B vector will be negative. No?
नहीं, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं, डायरेक्शन अपोजिट हो गया. जो नया रिजल्ट वेक्टर आया B का, वो A के अपोजिट हो गया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Now आगे जो
Sir,
है
please go to previous slide now.
ओके
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now Thamra was asking the इसका practical applications जैसे I don't know you have studied or not, but let note down. Say we have one quantity called linear momentum.
Yes, sir.
Linear momentum आगे this guys this will come in the 4th and 5th chapter. Linear momentum P vector is defined as mass into
velocity, right? Velocity.
mass into
velocity.
guys ये वाला आगे defined होगा 4th और 5th chapter में. If you have not studied, it's okay. Huh? So this will be P will be equal to M into E vector. Scalar multiplied by a vector. So guys अभी नहीं पढ़ा है it's okay ना. Just it's an example.
Some
We
momentum
know
पढ़ा है.
momentum we know, sir.
हाँ linear momentum is called as linear.
Yes, sir, we know this formula, sir. Mass into velocity.
Oh, you have studied this one? Okay.
So in the scalar form, you have studied in 10th.
Okay.
In 9th, sir, we have studied this.
Sir, in 9th
In
standard.
Sir, what is it?
scalar.
As a scalar.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Okay guys. So this as a some quantities will be there. You will study later on. Huh?
Sir, why velocity is written vector?
Velocity is a vector. Why we have written in that in vector? क्या? So velocity is a vector quantity. Anita. Velocity is a vector quantity now.
Yes, sir.
So v vector we have written.
ये केस में m स्केलर क्वांटिटी है ना.
Yes, m is mass. Mass is scalar. Correct.
So that means product of scalar and vector is vector.
Sir, it comes in laws of motion.
करेक्ट. ये वाला जो है नहीं लॉस ऑफ मोशन के बाद भी 2 चैप्टर के बाद आएगा लीनियर मोमेंटम.
Sir, but in 9th we learned in laws of motion.
Okay, you have done
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Laws of motion.
So guys ठीक है. अब जो है what we are doing, हाँ तो ये वाला हमने पढ़ा अभी. Now we will study this one dot product. Huh? So multiplication of a vector by a vector. Multiplication of a vector by a vector. And उसका first part is dot product. Dot product. ठीक है dot product. So guys, first we'll write the definition. A vector. This is the definition. A vector and this is the dot sign. A and B are two vectors and we are doing which kind of multiplication? Dot multiplication. And definition is A dot B is defined as magnitude of A, magnitude of B into the cos of the angle between two vectors A and B, which is theta. So basically A dot B is AB cos theta. Guys, what is theta here?
Angle
Sir,
between.
angle between A
Angle
vector
between
and
the
B
two
vector.
vectors.
Angle between tails of vector A and vector B. Is this okay? ठीक है guys. चलो copy कर दो.
Sir, tails or
तो वो
heads?
डॉट
sir?
छोटा हो सकता
Tails
है
or
क्या?
heads. Okay. Tails or heads. Okay. हाँ. Yes, हाँ. You are saying something?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Krishanu, yes, हाँ.
so the product we get after dot product is a scalar quantity or a vector quantity?
नहीं अभी रुक जाओ यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, so यहाँ तक everybody understood. I'll go on to the next slide. So what was the definition? A dot B is A into B into cos theta. This is magnitude, guys. Magnitude of a scalar. Magnitude of B is a scalar. This angle is also a magnitude scalar. Number into number into number, scalar quantity. So resultant of
Sir, angle is scalar quantity.
cos theta की value is ratio है ना 1/2 √3/2.
Yes, sir.
Resultant of dot product of two vectors. See, this is scalar, this scalar. ये result कैसा आ जाएगा? Is a scalar. The resultant of dot product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. Hence, the dot product is also called as scalar product. So dot product is also called as scalar product. Dot product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vectors. Guys, you understood?
So, sir, here we are multiplying the scalar quantity of two vectors.
And yeah, Tanish, what you are asking?
So, sir, here we are multiplying the scalar quantity of two vectors.
नहीं वेक्टर का वेक्टर के साथ ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन चल रहा है जो रिजल्ट
Sir, you have written now scalar quantity.
नहीं तनीश ध्यान से पढ़ो रिजल्ट आता है एडिशन के बाद भी रिजल्ट आएगा रिजल्टेंट सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद भी रिजल्ट आएगा रिजल्टेंट मल्टीप्लिकेशन डॉट मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद भी जो रिजल्ट आएगा रिजल्टेंट ऑफ डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स रिजल्टेंट resultant of dot product of two vectors is a कैसा quantity scalar ना resultant result जो आ रहा है वो scalar है
Okay.
Sir, so
ये वेक्टर स्केलर नहीं है ये वेक्टर ही है ये जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है सी दिस रिजल्ट इज अ कैसा क्वांटिटी स्केलर hence dot product is called as scalar product.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, so work done is a scalar quantity, sir.
अभी नहीं अभी we will not discuss anything. We'll discuss everything one by one.
Is there any theory definition of dot product?
Yes, this is the definition. We'll discuss everything one by one. अभी जो करते जा रहे हैं वो वाला पूछो आगे का पूछोगे students will get confused, many students.
Just like the theory definition, like in words, not like formula.
Work का definition आगे करेंगे.
Words, like theory definition of dot product.
Dot product. A dot B is AB cos theta. This is the definition. That's it.
Okay, sir.
A dot B is defined as magnitude of A into magnitude of B into the cos of the angle between two vectors. So A dot B is AB cos theta.
Sir, I think you have written in the next page, the resultant of dot product.
Yes.
That can only be used as a definition.
ये वाला ये resultant हो गया ये result है so it's a scalar quantity. अब जो है so 1 minute. Suppose, so guys, suppose you are given, हाँ, दो vectors ले लेते हैं. A vector 10, B vector 5, angle 60 degrees. Find A dot B. You will not tell the answer. Take 1 minute, guys. Don't tell the answer.
Sir, it is A vector on B.
Sir, B is equal to phi or S.
If I root 3.
$25.
The 25.
So minus 25, right?
No, 25 is the answer.
25 is the answer, actually.
But you have to join tail to tail, right? If you want to find the angle theta.
Minus 20.
Then it'll be minus, then it'll be 120
minus
degrees.
25.
Yeah.
So Tanish, हाँ, क्या doubt था? Tanish?
No, sir, no, sir.
Yes, Pranjay, what is the answer?
Minus 25. sir.
Minus.
Minus 25.
25.
Minus 25.
Very good. Guys, A dot B calculate करना है. So A dot B is defined as, this is the definition, A dot B is defined as AB cos theta. So magnitude of A, guys, magnitude is always positive 10. Magnitude of B always positive 5. Or theta is the angle with the tails. But tails के बीच का angle चाहिए, you have to slide it
So
back.
180 minus 60, 120. Cos 120.
This
So
will
we go
be
to
the
minus cos 60.
Minus
So this will be, हाँ, ये हो जाएगा, angle will be 180 minus 60, 120. So 120 cos of 120 is how much? Right?
minus half.
Oh, okay. This is minus 1 by 2. So 10 into 5 into minus 1 by 2. So the final answer is 20 minus 25.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in vectors we have to, sir, why are you using different symbol for multiplication, sir? Is it a rule, sir?
Multiplication, there are two type of multiplication, dot and cross. So we have to put the symbol as per the definition.
Sir, I'm not that one, sir, that star multiplication you are putting.
Oh, this one.
Is it a rule, sir?
No. Actually, okay. No. You can put anything, any sign. Like cross also you can put.
Okay, sir.
It is a way of presenting multiplication sign.
Java.
Okay.
Oh, okay, computer. अब जो है, so okay guys, ये everybody understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, जो है, so a resultant of dot product of two vectors can be positive, negative, or zero. See, A dot B is defined as magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos of angle. This is magnitude, this is positive. This is magnitude, this is positive. Now cos of the angle, it can be positive, it can be negative. And also see cos 90 is how much, guys? Cos 90?
Zero.
Zero.
Zero. So that means dot product of two perpendicular vectors क्या होगा?
Zero.
Yes,
Zero.
is zero. Because A dot B as per the definition, which is equal to AB. Angle will be 90 as they are perpendicular, so A dot will be 0.
So that is why I cap into J cap we take as 0.
That I will discuss. नहीं अभी मत बताओ, अभी कुछ करो. Students will get confused. One by one we'll come discuss everything.
Sir, if you want to multiply more than 2, sir, then what we need to do?
We will do one by one. Kamlesh, let us discuss this one first.
Okay, sir.
Slide. Sir,
Sean,
sir, can you go to
Sir,
previous?
done.
there is Sean. Sean is asking something. Sean, I cannot hear.
Sir, can you go to previous slide?
Can somebody
Sir,
Sir,
he's
just need to go
asking
to
to
previous
go to
slide.
previous slide.
previous slide? Okay. How come you are able to hear Sean's voice? I cannot hear. Sean, what do you have?
Even for us, the volume is very low.
Volume is low, sir, but able to identify what he was saying.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
if the dot product, the resultant of dot product of two vectors can be negative, then how come we can classify that as scalar? Because scalar quantities do not have negative values.
अरे स्केलर्स तो नंबर्स है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जीरो.
But then negative would mean that like it has some
Scalar-
kind of direction, right?
Scalars can be positive, negative or zero. Correct? Scalars पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है और जीरो हो सकता है.
सर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे शिफ्ट करो ना.
ओके.
सर डन.
Done.
Sir, wait.
Okay.
Sir, wait now.
सर फर्स्ट नोट का मीनिंग ये है कि ए और बी हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहता है और फिर कॉस एंगल के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहता है कि पॉजिटिव आएगा कि माइनस आएगा कि जीरो आएगा.
Exactly correct है.
Yes.
निशान हो गया.
Sir, the value should not be negative.
sir.
Then why we are using negative?
Sir,
Yes, हाँ.
sir, I have a doubt. Sir, dot product cannot be then positive.
अरे डॉट प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव नहीं हो सकता, क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
Because in note you have written resultant of dot product of two vectors can be positive, can be negative or positive negative. Okay, sir. Thank you.
नेगेटिव और जीरो, कॉमा भी तो डाला है.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
All three can be positive. Tanish.
Sir, the value should not be negative. No.
अरे यहाँ पे मैग्नीट्यूड क्या कहाँ लिखा है? रिजल्टेंट लिखा है. रिजल्ट.
Yes.
रिजल्ट तो भाई कुछ भी हो सकता
Sir,
है.
can you please give an example of positive?
पॉजिटिव एंगल एक्यूट ले लो, 60 डिग्री ले लो, 30 डिग्री ले लो. एंगल एक्यूट हो गया तो रिजल्टेंट पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो चलो गाइस, कैन आई मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now dot product problem types. So type 1. Suppose if two vectors, if the magnitude of two vectors, if magnitude of two vectors and angle information is given, then it is a simple case, like you have given this vector A, B, this is 10, this is 5, angle information is also given, say 60 degree, tails के बीच का angle. Then use the definition. Then use definition of dot product. And find resultant. जैसे how simple, a dot b क्या हो जाएगा? a b cos theta. जैसे a क्या हो गया यहाँ पर 10 है, b 5 है, cos theta 60, cos 60. This will be plus 25 answer. Guys, यह सम किया था ना अभी? If magnitude of two vectors and angle information given. यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट स्टूडेंट्स? नाइस, यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
ओके, हाँ, नेक्स्ट. तो अब जो है, नाउ रादर देन गिविंग दिस वे, सेकंड टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, अगर a गिवन ऐसा, a इज a1 i कैप प्लस a2 j कैप.
सर इसका कोई यूनिट नहीं रहता है?
किसका यूनिट चाहिए?
मैग्नीट्यूड या लाइक प्रोडक्ट का?
नहीं, तो जो a का यूनिट होगा, a का यूनिट गिवन रहेगा, राइट? b का यूनिट रहेगा, दोनों का यूनिट मल्टीप्लाई करके वही लिख देना आंसर.
ओके सर.
हाँ, आप देखो यहाँ पर
Sir,
b गिवन
Sir,
है.
can you please repeat? I was thrown out of the meeting.
अरे, who throw you out?
The net.
ओह, नहीं, a का यूनिट रहेगा, राइट सीमान?
Sir, type 1, sir.
टाइप 1, ओके. टाइप 1 में दो वेक्टर्स ऐसे गिवन रहेंगे, a b, और उनके बीच का एंगल गिवन रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट कैसे निकालोगे बताओ? टेल हाउ विल यू फाइंड?
Sir, A vector dot B vector is equal to AV cos theta.
करेक्ट, तो आ जाएगा आंसर.
Yes, sir.
नाउ टाइप 2, ठीक है, सेकंड टाइप. गाइस, यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट? फर्स्ट टाइप में किसी को डाउट?
sir, I have one doubt in the second one, sir.
सेकंड वन, ओके.
Sir, dot product is not possible in 3 dimensions, sir.
नहीं, सेकंड वन आई हैव नॉट टॉट, सेकंड वन आई एम टीचिंग नाउ.
Sir, but only I cap and J cap. What about K cap?
Slowly by slowly I will teach.
Oh, like in first plane and then 3D, like that, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, so the question is find a dot b, a vector dot b vector. So guys, you understood now? Sure, you understood? Like two types of situations will be coming.
Yes sir.
Either in this type or in this type.
ये दो ही टाइप है?
Yes.
सर तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इजी है क्या एडिशन से?
अभी first you read and then you decide. ठीक है, चलो अब जो है to deal with this type, we need some basics. So let us come to basics. Some basics. Some basic concepts we need. Of dot product. And then we will deal the problem type 2. Okay. So इसमें जो है first point I cap dot I cap, guys. Guys, what is I cap?
Sir, I cap is unit vector.
I cap is unit vector along
X.
Now we have the definition. A dot B is magnitude of B into cos theta. Similarly, I dot I cap is magnitude of I into magnitude of I cap into what is the angle between these two same vectors?
0.
0.
Sir, so I cap, J cap alone, it's not enough.
No, one minute. See, what is magnitude of I cap? 1, 1. Magnitude of I cap 1. Cos 0. Cos 0 is also 1. 1. So, guys, ये first point, everybody understood?
Sir?
Yes. Huh?
Sir, while dealing with the component rule, we didn't take any angle. We just took I cap, J cap, sir. But in this, angle is needed, sir.
See, no. I'm saying let us forget this problem for some time and let us practice some basics. Then we come to that problem.
अगर I cap के आगे हमने 2 3
सर
लगा
टाइप 2 नहीं समझा।
टाइप 2 अभी मैंने समझाया ही नहीं। टाइप 2 में क्वेश्चन कैसा गिवन है ये पता चला? एक गिवन रहेगा।
हाँ ये समझा सर।
Oh, you want me to write that? क्या? ठीक है, I'll write it. Vectors given in I cap, J cap form. Is this okay? One heading together.
Yes sir.
So vectors I cap, J cap form में given है. How is type 1 difference from type 2? One.
सर I cap and J cap फॉर्म में दिया टाइप 2 में।
And type 1 में?
सर they are in the magnitude के फॉर्म में।
Okay. चलो ठीक है. So we are learning we have to attempt this kind of sums. A dot B निकालना है. उसके लिए कुछ बेसिक प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. बेसिक में फिर अगेन बेसिक में डेफिनेशन तो रहेगा, वैलिड रहेगा, डेफिनेशन तो हमेशा वैलिड रहेगा. A dot B is AB cos theta. तो I cap dot I cap 1 आएगा. Once ये वाला understood?
Yes sir.
कैसे आएगा एक्सप्लेन करो. How is I cap dot I cap 1? Explain.
Sir, because both are I cap. Sir, and cos 0 equals to 1, that's why.
Correct. ऐसे नहीं बताना. A dot B is magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos of angle बोलना है. फिर magnitude of I cap. It's a unit vector. उसका magnitude 1 like that way. I'll explain again.
So why did you take cos 0?
Cos 0. Okay. Who can explain? Shaurya?
Because of the
angle between I cap and I cap is 0, like both are to a parallel and or to the x-axis.
See, जो है.
Okay, sir.
Now I cap is a unit vector along x-axis. Second is also I cap is also a unit vector along x-axis. Both are parallel. And what is the angle between parallel vectors? 0. So cos of 0 by definition.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Right. Understood this one?
सर I cap का magnitude 1 क्यों लिया है?
Shaurya, answer it.
Because I cap is a unit vector, like so I had explained as before.
I cap is a unit vector. Unit vector का magnitude is 1. Ankita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Second is J cap dot J cap is magnitude of J cap into cos of 0 This will be how much?
1. 1 into 1 into 1 is
Correct.
equal to 1.
1. Similarly, k cap dot k cap. Guys, what will be the answer?
Sir, 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1.
Okay. Now, I cap dot j cap. Is
Sir, I cap J cap.
yes,
Zero.
magnitude of I cap into magnitude of j cap into the cos of angle between x and y axis. Guys, what is the angle?
90.
90
Sir, 90 degrees.
Cos 90 is 0.
0.
0. I cap dot j cap, and all three are mutually perpendicular, guys. J cap dot k cap क्या होगा?
Sir, 0.
0.
I cap dot k cap क्या होगा?
Sir,
Sir,
अगर
1
1 हुआ तो
minus 1.
I and
anything into 0 is
Sir,
0.
90 only. No?
Sir,
Uh.
1 sir, minus 1.
I cap dot k cap. All three are mutually perpendicular.
Yes sir,
Yes, sir.
0 sir.
So angle, if mutually perpendicular means what is the angle between any two?
90
90
degree.
90, and cos 90 will be how much?
0.
0.
0.
Understood? This one?
Yes sir.
Okay, okay, huh.
Yes, sir.
Copy this one. Who is this one? Guys, yalla copy everybody.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay, huh? Yes, please tell.
the previous वाले पे जाओ ना एक second.
Oh, huh.
Yes, sir.
Once copy this one.
Last point, just a second.
Okay, okay. Also, you have to memorize.
Sir, done.
ये वाला हो गया. So, चलो अब जो है with this basics, ये था problem type 2. This was our problem. अब इसको डील करते हैं. चलो भाई.
सर इसमें हम ए वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल सकते हैं ना, रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर करके.
हाँ हाँ मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी नहीं करना है कुछ. अभी रुको, कैसे करना है वो बताता हूँ. हाँ, इसको इस तरीके से डील करेंगे. So this is our problem type. Let us come back to that problem. A. What is A vector? A vector कितना given था? A dot B. Guys, what was A vector? A1 I cap plus A2 J cap? Guys,
Yes, sir.
we didn't know. See guys, ये वाला हम कर रहे हैं. See A dot B we want to find. Below A we write A1 I cap plus A2 J cap dot A1 I cap plus A2 J cap B1 I cap plus B2 J cap. Guys, ये निकालना है हमें. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So we are.
Sir, tell it again.
No. See, what do you want to find? A dot B.
Yes, sir.
A dot B निकालना है. A की value is given as A1 I cap plus A2 J cap,
Yes.
and B vector is given as B1 I cap plus B2 J cap.
Yes.
Now we will find. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
सर आपने A1 A2 क्यों लिया? A रख सकते हैं ना?
अरे इसके कोएफिशिएंट का नाम कुछ भी रखना है और कुछ नाम रखना है बताओ.
No sir.
You want to change names?
Sir, so here we have to multiply I cap by I cap only. No?
नहीं तनिष, you want to have a different name?
Yes, sir.
Name change करना चाहते हैं? नाम में क्या
It's
है?
okay.
नाम
No,
में
sir,
क्या
I am
है?
asking.
Fine, sir.
We have to multiply I cap by I cap only. No, like A1 I
नहीं,
cap into B1 I cap.
अभी नहीं वो सब करेंगे. First you understood this इसके नीचे ये वाला step you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ, यहाँ तक I was asking. अब आगे करते हैं. So A1 I cap, A2 J cap dot B1 I cap plus B2 J cap. Guys, ये जो है bracket we have to open. See, it has two terms, so 4 terms will come. See how will you do? First इसका इसके साथ multiplication करोगे, इसका इसके साथ. So क्या जाएगा? A1 B1 I cap dot I cap. First term, हाँ. फिर इसका इसके साथ.
Sir, I cap dot I cap, sir.
Yes, this is I cap. This is I
Yes,
cap.
sir.
Is this okay? Now second term. A1 B1. Second term, huh? No. What will be the second term?
B2, sir.
sir. A1
A1 B2. B2.
Okay. A2 इसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं पहले. चलो इसी के साथ A2 B1 J cap dot I cap. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
अब ये वाला करते हैं. B2 का इसके फर्स्ट के साथ B A1 B2 A1 A1 B2 इसका इसके साथ कर रहे हैं. A1
I cap, J cap.
I cap dot J cap. Then इसका फिर इसके साथ A2 B2 J cap dot J cap. Guys, यहां तक ये ब्रैकेट ओपनिंग में किसको डाउट है? प्लीज टेल. ब्रैकेट ओपनिंग में who has doubt? चलो ठीक है. Sean understood this one? Bracket opening?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Ishan. Okay. Sean, where is Sean?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, understood ना? हाँ. Okay, guys. अब we have done some fundamentals. See, I dot I 1 होता है, J dot J भी 1 होता है. Same वाले का 1 हो जाता है, different वाले का 0 हो जाता है. Now let us use this one. This is 1. A1 B1. This is 0. Guys.
0.
इसको हटा लो. This is also 0. This is also 0. Oh, this is 1.
1.
1 1. A2 B2. Guys, यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay, can somebody explain this one?
Can I explain?
Okay, Soham.
A1 B1 I cap into I cap. I cap into I cap is 1. So A1 B1. And second term will be A2 B1 and J cap into I cap. J cap into I cap will be 0. So second term will be 0. And similarly, third term will also be 0. And fourth term will be like the first term, means A2 B2 and J cap will be 1. So A2 B2.
This one understood?
Yes, sir.
हाँ yeah. Okay. अब जो है guys, लेकिन यार तामरे understood ना this one?
Yes, sir.
This is how you will find A dot B. But see, doing this calculation, it will take a lot of time. We just have 3 minutes in the exam. So, how should we do now? See, we should do
Sir,
this.
I directly by I.
Yes, so we should write. See, now this is our problem solving. How should we do this? This one. First, you write A1. What is A? A1 I cap plus A2 J cap. What is B? Is B1 I cap plus B2 J cap. See, now you write A dot B. So you see only I dot I terms are remaining, J dot J terms are remaining, else other terms they are cancelling out, getting 0. So I dot I wala bachega A1 B1. And guys, here the students they make mistake. They always write I like this. They write the answer like this. This is not an error. This is a blunder. How? See, resultant of the dot product of two quantities is a scalar quantity. How can you have I and J here? So you should not add like this. Okay. So answer should be like this.
Sir, my phone lagged. Could you repeat what you just said?
Pranjay, see, यहाँ पर when you do dot product, I dot I 1 हो जाता है. You don't have to write I cap and J cap. If you write this, this will not be error. This is a blunder because resultant is a scalar quantity. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Right.
this result cannot have I cap, J cap. It should be a pure number. So why we are leaving? Many students they leave like this. So we should not be very careful. Not leave it. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So what about the cos theta?
Cos theta. Cos theta कहाँ से आ गया? Cos theta कैसे आएगा? We have done the multiplication. See the above steps. We have done all the multiplication, and there no cos theta was there. Cos theta will come where? In the problem type 1. Understood?
Sir, actually, I even missed the part where you explained the faster method. What we do, we just multiply the I cap and J cap ones with each other, right?
Correct. You just multiply the coefficients.
Yeah, coefficients. Yeah, right.
A1
Okay.
B1 and this one is A2 B2. And write the answer.
Okay, sir.
This is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. Yeah, everybody understood? Tanish? Where is Tanish?
Yes, sir.
Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sean understood now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We multiplied, no, sir.
Please somebody tell me what he's saying at now.
Sir, we are only multiplying, na?
We are doing dot multiplication. Yes. Here, somebody was asking theta wala kaun tha bachcha? Who was asking? Somebody was asking why is he quiet? Bhai bolo. Samray? Sorry, somebody was asking. Was theta something?
Yes, sir. Someone was asking.
तो थीटा भाई थीटा इसमें कैसे आएगा? जैसे देखो, सी अगर प्रॉब्लम टाइप 1 है, ए का मैग्नीट्यूड बी का मैग्नीट्यूड, तो यहाँ थीटा आ गया एंड यू फाइंड थीटा राइट इसमें. लेकिन यहाँ पर if you are given in I cap J cap form, so you have to write one below like this and then open the brackets. You write A dot B you want to find, you write A
So
below
while
A.
calculating I cap, you have already used theta, so no need to use it again.
Correct. So ऐसे करना है calculations. Okay. Guys, you are a copy.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the last example which you did, you did not calculate I cap and J cap because it's a scalar quantity, right?
I didn't get what you're trying to say. I didn't.
No, so why did you not calculate I cap and J cap?
Here, this one.
Yes.
अरे ये तो 1 ही आ गया था ना, I cap dot I cap 1 आ गया था. Again, why will put I here?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So what will we take A1, B1, B2 as in questions?
Okay, 1 minute. I will give an example. हाँ, जैसे अगर कि मान लो given है A is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 J cap. B vector is 2 I cap plus 3 J cap. So Shaurya, what will be the answer here? A dot B.
3 into 2 and 4 into 3.
Correct. A dot B will be this multiplication 3 into 2 6. I cap मत डालना 4 into 3 12. So final answer will be how much?
18.
18. Now let's say you have this one. Say 3 I cap plus 2 J cap. B is minus I cap plus J cap. Guys, A dot B क्या होगा यहाँ पर?
-3
-3 plus 2, which is equal to -1.
-1.
-1.
ये everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब जो है, yes.
Sir, can you show A1 B1 plus A2 B2 is equal to AB cos theta and how it is equal?
नहीं, वहाँ पे वेक्टर्स फॉर्म ही गिवन अलग था, क्वेश्चन का फॉर्म अलग था. See?
No, sir. In an example that for the question 3 I cap plus 4 J cap, when we find the magnitude, then we
जो है इसमें we don't have the we are not given the angles between them. Cos theta. We don't have the angle between them, right? Theta तो पता ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए ये थीटा पता नहीं है, तो ये प्रॉब्लम टाइप 2 में चला जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
तो प्रॉब्लम टाइप 2 को इस तरीके से करेंगे.
Yes, sir. Sir, but we can find the angle between them, no?
We can find the angle between the two vectors. वो आगे पढ़ेंगे, uses of dot product.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, लेकिन अगर इस फॉर्म में गिवन है तो ऐसे ही करना.
Okay.
सर अगर 3 आई कैप पे भी माइनस रहता तो
3 I cap में what do you want to put here?
लाइक अगर 3 आई कैप भी नेगेटिव होता
-4 plus 2.
So he wants like this one, guys. -3 I cap, or you want like this, ऐसा. Once like this.
हम सिंपली आई कैप और जे कैप को इग्नोर करके नॉर्मली ऐड और सबट्रैक्ट करना है ना लाइक.
अरे सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना, पहले like this is your question, is this correct?
यस सर.
अब देखो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो, -3 और -1 कोएफिशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करो, क्या आएगा? +3. Is this correct?
समझा सर.
Guys, ये वाला everybody understood ना?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ठीक है. So guys, अब जो है अगर मान लो से you want to find A dot B again. A is given as A1 I cap, A2 J cap, and A3 K cap. B is given as one. This is A dot. B is given as B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap. Now you have to open the brackets. You will get 3 here, 3 here, 9 terms you will get. See, let us do one by one. So A1, B1, I cap dot I cap. Then you multiply with this one. I cap dot I cap. Then A2, B1, J cap dot I cap. Third term, A3, B1, K cap dot I cap. Guys, ये फर्स्ट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन Is everybody okay with this?
Yes, sir.
Students, everybody understood? Bracket
Yes,
only?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this one, B2. Also 3 terms. A1, B2, I cap dot J cap. Again, this one and this one. A2, B2, J cap dot J cap. This and this now. A3, B2, K cap dot J cap. What have done?
सर ये एक के नीचे एक लिखना है.
Like you, I don't have the screen space to write it in one line, so I am writing this way. Is this okay?
Okay sir.
हाँ. अरे इतना बड़ा कैसे लिखेंगे? इसलिए एक के नीचे एक लिखा. अब now this one. अब B3 के साथ गाइस क्या आएगा फर्स्ट टर्म? A1 B3 I cap dot K cap. फिर सेकंड A2 B3 J cap dot K cap. Last term A3 B3 K cap dot K cap. Now इसके आगे का हो है यश. Danish, okay Danish, tell.
So we have to put the zeros where there is perpendicular node like IJ, I cap, J cap, K cap, J cap, and I cap, K cap. So sir, we will get 3 values. A1, B1 plus
A1 B1, yes, plus
A2 B2
A2 B2, हाँ,
plus A3 B3.
plus A3 B3. So guys, ऐसे नहीं करना, इतना लेंदी है, ये कौन करेगा, इतना लेंदी लग रहा है. So how will you do this problem? इसको जो है, you write one below another. See, A is A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap. B is B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap. Now you find A dot B. एक के नीचे एक लिखा. Now do coefficients multiplication, guys. I cap मत रखना. A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3. This is the final answer. Samray, you asked this is the first one. Is this okay?
Yes, sir. So the formulas are similar.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, they can give angle between 3 dimensions also, or between 2 dimensions only.
Angle between क्या?
3 dimensions.
Angle निकालना है. किसका किसका angle निकालना है?
No, sir, I'm just asking if they give angle with 3 dimensions like I cap, J cap, and P cap, and angle also.
नहीं, अभी ये वाला करो ना, बताते जाऊंगा ना. I will give you sums also.
Yes, sir.
Concentrate on this part. Guys, ये understood ना दोनों types? Problem type 1, problem type 2.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay. Gargi, understood? Gargi, any doubt? No doubt. ठीक है. चलो guys, अगर ये doubt नहीं है तो we'll go ahead. So जैसे इसका सम भी कर सकते हो, इजी है गाइस. जैसे सपोज एग्जांपल में सपोज जैसे से गिवन है a is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 J cap plus say 4k cap, and b is equal to say minus I cap plus 2j cap, j cap plus 5k cap. So guys, यहाँ पर a dot b calculate करना है. What will be the answer? -2, 6 and 20. क्या होगा आंसर?
Sir, 24.
24.
24. ठीक है. Ankita, understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, just a second.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Done? हाँ. चलो ठीक है, यहाँ तक तो आ गया. Now so uses of dot product. The first use, dot product of two vectors can be used to check or prove if vectors are perpendicular to each other. How? Let us use a definition. What is the definition? A dot B is AB cos theta. Now, if theta is 90, so if theta is 90, AB cos 90, this will be 0. That means if dot product of two vectors is 0, then they are perpendicular to each other.
Sir, could you show the previous slide for a second?
Okay. Guys, yellow copy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो ये लगी हो गया. अब जो है
Sir, wait, no.
Sir, I was still writing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay. So next, suppose guys.
Sir, can you show that slide?
Shan, jaldi.
Done, sir.
So let's say A is given as 2 I cap plus x j cap dk cap. B is given as 4 I cap minus j cap plus 5 k cap. If vector A and B are orthogonal, means perpendicular, find x. x कैलकुलेट करना है.
Sir,
Yes.
Done.
Done. आंसर क्या है इसका?
23.
ओके भाई, ये अगर परपेंडिकुलर है तो उनका सीधा डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालो. डॉट प्रोडक्ट a डॉट b 8 माइनस x प्लस 15. परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स का डॉट प्रोडक्ट गाइस, परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर्स का डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर? 23 माइनस x is 20. Guys, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second use, certain physical quantities
Sir, x is equal to minus 23, right?
x you are getting as 23.
Minus 23, no, sir. Yes, sir, 23.
Are defined. Certain physical quantities are defined using dot product of two vectors. So certain physical quantities are defined using dot product of two vectors. Like guys, जो है work is defined using the dot product of
Force and displacement.
force and displacement, guys. जैसे
Even magnetic flux ना.
अरे अभी मैग्नेटिक ही बड़े वर्क पे कर
ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ.
So once again, can you go back?
मैग्नेटिज्म में कहाँ जा रहे हो? अभी रुको.
Sir, last slide,
Sir,
sir.
can
I
you
didn't
show the
finish writing.
slide?
Last slide.
Can you show previous slide?
ये मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स किसने बोला?
सर मैं सिर्फ
Sir, it is
confirm
force
कर रहा
into
हूँ.
what?
फोर्स डॉट डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर.
सर सिर्फ मैं पूछ रहा था.
नहीं, अभी तो मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स, अरे मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स मतलब 12th का एकदम लास्ट वाले चैप्टर्स में आ जाएगा ना.
सर सिर्फ मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि एग्जाम्पल की बात किया ना आपने.
बच्चों को क्यों डरा रहे हो अभी? हाँ?
Done, sir.
Done. चलो, तो वर्क इज डिफाइंड यूजिंग डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोर्स डॉट डिस्प्लेसमेंट. भाई इजी है. जैसे कि मान लो बॉडी का दिया हुआ है फोर्स 3 I कैप प्लस 2 J कैप प्लस K कैप. डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी दे दिया I कैप प्लस J कैप प्लस 2 K कैप. तो work done by this force will be F dot S. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 3 + 2 + 2 ना इस वाला. सो वर्क डन विल बी कितना आ जाएगा ये वाला? 7. सो वर्क डन विल बी 7 हियर. ये वाला अंडरस्टूड गाइस? ये वाला
Yes, sir.
हमने वो भी डिस्कस किया था, डिस्प्लेसमेंट। यार डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? फाइनल पोजीशन माइनस
Initial position.
Initial position.
चलो ठीक है। अब जो है मान लो क्वेश्चन दिया है बॉडी का फाइनल पोजीशन से 4i कैप प्लस 3j कैप प्लस 2k कैप। बॉडी का इनिशियल पोजीशन इज गिवन i कैप प्लस j कैप प्लस 2k कैप, और बॉडी पे फोर्स भी दे दिया, फोर्स इज 2i कैप प्लस j कैप प्लस k कैप, और बोला है फाइंड वर्क डन। तो इस केस में क्या होगा? फर्स्ट स्टेप यू फाइंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट गाइस। डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे?
Final minus initial position.
Final. This will be how much? 3i cap plus 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, and this is 2 minus 2 0, 0 k cap. Now you have force. There is force. Force is 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap. You also have displacement 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 0 k cap. Now you do dot product to find work done.
Sir, 8.
आ जाएगा 6 plus 2 plus 0 8. Yes. Yes, ये understood ना?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, हाँ. Gargi, any doubt?
सर तो माइनस में सब माइनस हो गया, जब ऊपर जो एग्जांपल है।
हाँ, मतलब जो है displacement is defined as final minus initial, है ना?
यस सर।
Repeat this again.
गार्गी, कुछ डाउट है क्या?
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट का कैसे ढूंढेंगे?
अरे डिस्प्लेसमेंट का डेफिनेशन निकाल ना, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल।
लाइक फाइनल और इनिशियल वही पूछ रहा हूँ, लाइक सम में देंगे।
यस यस, हाँ गिवन है ना वो सब, गिवन क्वांटिटीज है। अक्षय,
Sir, can you repeat what was R?
R, अरे फाइनल पोजीशन, और RF इज फाइनल पोजीशन, RI इज इनिशियल
Position, okay.
हाँ हाँ, और डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? फाइनल पोजीशन माइनस इनिशियल पोजीशन।
Yes.
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट में 0 के कैप कंपलसरी नहीं है ना?
नहीं, कैसा भी आ सकता है, कुछ भी आ सकता है, तो जो भी आएगा एक के नीचे एक लिखो, डॉट प्रोडक्ट कर लो। करेक्ट?
ओके सर।
हाँ हाँ गाइस, यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट?
No, sir.
अब हाँ,
No, sir.
ओके, वो बच्चा एक बोल रहा था ना कि जो है एक और, यस,
Why have we subtracted RF and R1?
no, how is displacement defined?
F into L.
Displacement is final minus initial.
Yes.
So final minus initial, इसलिए we are subtracted final minus initial.
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, so if a question have plus in between, then we'll have to add all the values.
yes. Correct ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है guys, ये use 1 or use 2, who can explain? First use, second use.
Sir, properties over, sir.
No. We will do everything.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, we'll skip. We won't skip. We'll cover everything one by one. Kamra, can you explain use 1 and use 2?
Yes, sir. Use 1 I can and use 2 I can explain, sir.
Okay, explain use 1.
The first use of dot product is to find whether the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. When we find the dot product of two vectors, if we get the resultant as 0, then that means that two vectors are perpendicular to each other.
Correct.
And second property is to we can define certain physical quantities using dot product of two vectors. Like work done is equal to force into displacement. We can define them using the dot product of F vector into S vector. Work is equal to.
Correct.
Sir, examples also, sir.
Examples, yeah, if possible, both examples, yes.
F vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, and displacement vector S vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. So that I cap and I cap we have to multiply, we get the resultant as 3, and 2 j cap into j cap is 2, and 2 k cap into k cap is 2. So if we add them all, we get the resultant as 7. And in second example, we have to first find the displacement vector. Then we have to multiply it with force vector. So when we in displacement vector, we have to subtract final position minus initial position vector. So 4 I cap minus I cap is 3 I cap. Similarly, 3 j cap minus j cap is 2 j cap. Similarly, 2 k cap minus 2 k cap is 0 k cap. So we got the displacement vector. Now we have to multiply it with force vector. So for that, F vector is equal to 2 k I cap into 3 I cap is 6. Similarly, I cap into 2 j cap into 2 j cap is 2. Similarly, k cap into 0 k cap is 0. So 6 plus 2 plus 0 is 8.
Correct. Yes. Anish, you had a doubt? What was the doubt?
No, sir, I am saying, so sir, when we are given angle also, then you have to use first type of dot method, no?
Yes.
And when angle is not given, then you have to use second type.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Guys. और वो images में like you guys are working on that homework given yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वो homework वाला complete करना है, and few more sums I will send you now. Huh?
Sir, we will discuss when we will discuss.
Is it okay if we discuss? I guess we'll have today Saturday, na? So the next week.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Next week class.
Okay,
we can-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Or also, okay, next week class we'll discuss. Okay, guys. Then attempt those sums. Whoever has not attempted, please attempt those homework sums.
So 1 second, which sums?
Oh, the last week I gave some images, na, some questions.
Okay. June
Yes,
3rd
sir.
ka.
Sean, you have completed?
Yes, sir. I almost completed. I was seeing the lecture video, no, so that is why.
Okay, so let me give some more sums now. 1 minute. You have completed it then.
Sir,
Yes,
I am confused in the type 2 solving of the dot product.
Okay, yeah, what you are saying again? Say again.
I have a doubt in the dot product type 2 solving.
Yes, tell.
I'm not getting how to solve it.
Hey, you have to write vector one below another.
Yes.
Write one below another and just multiply. See how we are multiplying any numbers. See how do you multiply this one?
So the last method we are not going to follow.
No. Always one below another you write and then multiply. See 3 into 2 2, 3 into 2 6, 4 into 3 12. Multiply and add.
Yes, okay, sir.
Same way here also. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 2 into 1 1, and then you do the calculations. Minus 1. Similarly, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, 2 into 1 2. this and this will be 5 here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Same always. Say here also 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 5, 20. Final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after completing the homework, do we have to post solution in the group?
If you have completed, kya Raghav? You have completed?
A few
what
are
homework?
left. But yesterday, sir, you sent a message that the activity of completing the homework is very less in this group. Like that, some message you
Oh, okay,
gave,
yes,
and
yes, yes.
everybody started giving solution.
No, just I wanted to that you guys should have group discussion and that the group discussion is important. So just I wanted to you guys need to do that one. That's why. So like other batch people, they post solutions, they discuss among them, so that they complete. So that's why I was asking.
Okay,
So what is the homework for next class?
Homework जो है dot product sums let me give.
So in the photos that you had sent among that, no?
Some more homework let me give.
Okay.
But from dot product we can give from module PDF page number. Guys, page number, sorry, illustrations till where you have done illustrations?
So we had done till 8 on page 11.
sir.
Sorry, 9.
Page 9, no?
Illustration 9, so.
Illustration 9 you have done, no?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, velocity is equal to displacement divided by time, no, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, so we have to find the shortest distance and divide it by time, sir,
Yes.
for calculating the velocity.
Correct, correct.
Sir, but when it can be negative, sir?
Velocity negative. We'll discuss. That will come.
Sir, acceleration is given by velocity final minus velocity initial. So
Yes.
it will not be in the direction of velocity resultant, right?
That will discuss acceleration kinematics later on.
Sir, so
Yes, sir.
Sir, so that displays.
Module PDF. It was deleted. By the WhatsApp was deleted.
Module. Okay, somebody can send that module again. Illustration 10. Illustration 10 you have to do. Yes.
Sir, so that displacement, that velocity vector comes under that kinematics, sir.
Kinematics, yes, yes, yes.
So there we will discuss how to calculate and all.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
So guys, this one you have to do. Then you have PDF page. This is 15. PDF page 15, you have in chapter exercise.
Sir, in illustration 10, 11, what is the book page number?
Minus 11, I guess. Okay.
Sir, illustration 11.
Guys, can
11. 11.
So you have book or you have PDF?
Sir, 11, sir, that page number, booklet page number.
Okay. Okay, Siman, this one understood, no?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Tamarai.
Okay. So guys, okay, that like on the basis of this, you guys do this sums.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Then also complete the ABJ's one, the remaining homework. And somebody who has completed can send the whole solution. One like somebody who has completed all the sums, who has done like full solutions, who can post
detailed solution.
Yes, Nehil, like you have
retest questions of multiplication also.
वो वाला नहीं करना, बाकी वाला पूरा करके धीरे can you send the solution so that everybody can benefit from that?
Sir, detailed solution, sir.
Okay,
Sir, we have to send it like detailed or short, what
Like-
we have written.
Like that one is also fine. We have written so that other students can understand and then solve. Some students they are not able to solve, na? It will benefit them.
Okay, sir.
हाँ चलो ठीक है guys, फिर आज इतना ही करते हैं. We'll continue next week, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.